Perfect. 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 Perfect.
What's up, sneakerheads? I'm Ashley Simone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Bigfoot Girl sneaker review. If you're new to my channel, I'm going to ask that you hit that subscribe button somewhere up here. I'm going to ask that you like this video and share it with everybody you know. So I'm coming to you with a really exciting sneaker review. I am crazy excited for this one. As you can see in my lap, on my dresser here, what I have is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the pine green colorway. So these were released in February 29th, 2020, I do believe. But the original pine greens were released back in 2018. I bought mine from a sneaker store in Toronto. I got a men's size 9.5, just like the rest of my Air Jordan 1s. And I do believe they retailed for 225 Canadian dollars. I got mine way after release, so I paid a little bit more than that. But that's okay. I'm still really excited to have them. I'm excited that I just have them. Yeah, they are my first pair of highs, so that's exciting. Still love my mids, but these are dope. Like, if you follow streetwear or like hypebeast or anything like that, you would know that these kind of have that Gucci colorway because they come with the red laces. They've got some red on them. Typically nowadays, when you see things with the black, the green, and the red, it's that Gucci colorway. The sneaker is composed like completely of tumbled leather. This is my first sneaker that is solely tumbled leather. I like it. It's nice and soft and it's smooth. So the only issue I find with this tumbled leather is that it does crease quite easily. I'll show you guys what I mean. So I find that the sneaker, like as soon as you wear it, gives you get this like I've been worn kind of vibe from it. The only time I've worn this is to give you guys this on foot look. I buy sneakers. I buy my sneakers to wear them. I buy sneakers I like. I buy sneakers I want to wear. I'm not one of those people to buy them to resell them to make money. So it's a part of life. I dress them up. I dress them down. I dress them according to my mood, how I'm feeling that day, the weather. So yeah, they're gonna be worn. The colors of the sneaker, you have the black, you have the pine green, you've got white, and you've got gym red. The outsole here is pine green. You can see the midsole is this white. The tip and the mud guard of the sneaker is tumbled leather, as well as the toe box is this pine green tumbled leather. We've got the eye stays here, which is black tumbled leather, flat black laces. You've got a nylon black tongue with a piece of black tumbled leather that is actually engraved in gym red with the Nike Air and Nike swoosh. Then on the side, you got the quarter panel. It is black with the pine green Nike swoosh. Now, in the 2018 releases, the quarter panel is actually white and the Nike swoosh is black. The collar of the sneaker is that pine green again, and the Air Jordan Wings logo is this tumbled black leather. It is actually embroidered into that tumbled leather, and it is raised. It's not like on many of the mids, I find that they are actually like engraved within this sneaker, but this is actually a piece of tumbled leather that is engraved with the Wings logo. The heel of the sneaker is the pine green, and then the upper collar is black. The lining is black, and the insole is black, and then you've got the gym red Nike Air and Nike swoosh on the inside. Just like any other of the Jordan ones, you've got that recyclable shape keeper for the sneaker. I keep mine in. Personally, I'm not really too much into that whole Gucci colorway look, but at some point I do believe I'm going to swap out the laces, these black flat laces, for these flat red laces to see how it looks with the sneaker. I'm going to give you guys an on-foot look. So check that out now. We'll come back and we'll wrap up the review. So here's the on-foot look. These actually feel pretty light in hand and on foot. I really like the highs. I still love, like I said, I still love my mids, but I like the highs. When I wear them, I feel like my ankle is much more protected and I have more stability on my ankle with the highs. But if you do not wear socks that are high enough, it will rub on your heel and it will hurt. I don't know if any of you caught The Last Dance on Netflix, that Michael Jordan and Chicago Bulls, when they were in their prime era, that documentary. But Michael said when he would play in the highs, his feet would hurt so bad and he would come off the court and they would just be bleeding. And if you wear these long enough or quite often without protecting your heel with socks, then you will get bleeding too. So that's my review of the 2020 Air Jordan 1 Retro High OGs in the pine green colorway. I hope that you guys liked my video. I'm going to ask that you hit that subscribe button again. It's going to be somewhere up here. I'm going to ask that you smash the thumbs up button. Share it with everybody you know. And if you want to see like more looks of the sneaker or how I dress the sneaker and wear the sneaker, go to my Instagram. I'm going to put it right here. My Instagram is @AshaSimone_. Go like my pictures. Go follow me. Let's interact. I'll see you guys in the next sneaker review. I have some changes coming to my channel, but I'll let you guys know probably in the next sneaker review. So thanks for watching. Peace and love.